Hey, lovies, welcome to our course. So, our course is a traditional face to face class, but for the first week of classes, everyone is going to be online. So, we will be online using Blackboard Collaborate. Blackboard Collaborate is housed within your Blackboard course shell. So, you're going to, of course, access your course shell. You're going to click on this little tab that says Blackboard Collaborate. From there, it's imperative that you click the tab, listing, I don't know, click whatever says the present day's date. You cannot join the course room. We will not be in the course room. We will be in whichever one of these aligns with your class for that particular day. So I'm going to click this demo just for fun because that's how I set it up. And then you're going to click join session. Once you join the session, I would love it if you turned your cameras on. Actually, university policy is moving, so you are required to have your cameras on. So that's how we'll meet tomorrow. We will meet during Blackboard via Blackboard Collaborate. I look forward to seeing you. Can't wait to see you in the morning. Bye.